Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 7th. Today's topic is HCF and LCM. Today we will solve practice set 14, question number 6, 7, 8 and 9. So let's begin. Start writing practice set 14. Question number 6. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If one of the numbers is 216, what is the other? See, question number 6 we have to solve. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. It means LCM is 432, HCF is 72. If one of the numbers is 216, what is the other? We have learned if two questions will be given, their product and product of LCM and HCF is equal. If we multiply 432 and 72, its product is equal to 216 and other number. So we'll consider that number is X. Write down answer. Suppose that number be X. It means 216 multiplied by X equals 432 into 72. As I said, LCM and HCF, its product is equal to the product of questions. Out of these two number, one number is given 216. So 216 is there, multiply by X equals 432 multiply by 72. Now there is multiplication relation between this X and 262. We will shift this 262 to the other side down at the place of denominator. X equals 432 multiply by 72 upon 216. 72 and 216 are divisible by 9. We will divide it by 9. 9 how's a 72? 9 8s are 9 8s are 72, and if we divide 216 by 9, 9 to the 18, 21 minus 18 is 3, and 6 if we take it down it becomes 36. 9 for the 36, it means 24 will come down. 8 1s are 8, 8 how's are 24? 4. Correct. Now
3.
at the place of numerator 432 is there, at the place of denominator 3 is there. Take these two numbers, 432 divided by 3, 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 1, take these 3 down, it becomes 13, 3 4s are 12, again here 1 is remainder, 2 we have to take, it becomes 12, and here 3 4s are 12. It means at the value of X is 144, and we have considered that number is X. It means our answer is required number is 144. We will solve now next question. Question number 7. The product of two-digit numbers is 765 and their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? Question number 7. The product of two-digit numbers is 765 and their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? Write down answer. Product of two numbers equals HCF into LCM. This rule you should remember. In question, if two numbers are given, their product, their multiplication is equal to its product of HCF and LCM. And two separate numbers are not given, but their multiplication, the product is given 765 equals HCF is given 3, but we don't know LCM. So write down LCM as it is. Now LCM equals 765 upon 3. Now divide this number 765 by 3. 3 to the 6. 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 will come down. 3 5s are 15. Again 1. Here this 5 down. And here 15. So 255. LCM equals 255. Question number 8. Question is, a trader has 3 bundles of string, 392 meter, 308 meter, 490 meter long. What is the greatest length of a string that the bundle can be cut up into without any leftover string? To find this answer, we need to find HCF of all these 3 numbers. So we need to find the factors of these 3 numbers: 392, 308, 490. I will start with 2. So if I will divide these 3 numbers by 2, 2 ones are 2, 19 will be there, 2 nines are 18, 12 will be there, 2 6s are 12. Here again 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now we have to see these 3 numbers are divisible by which number?
7.
Correct. These 3 numbers are divisible by 7 and not by 3. Now divide these numbers by 7. 7 to the 14. 19 minus 14. Answer is 5. And take this 6 down. So number becomes 56. 7 8s are 56. Here 7 to the 14. 15 minus 14 1. Here 4 down. Again it becomes 14. 7 to the 14. 7 3s are 21. 24 minus 21, it becomes 3, and when we take this 5 down, it becomes 35. 7 5s are 35. Therefore HCF equals 2 into 7 equals 14. Hence The answer is, what is the
14.
greatest length? Greatest length will be 14 meter. So write down the final
14
statement.
meters. Sir, 1 minute.
14 meters.
14 meter will be greatest length of string. Write down last question. Question number 9. Which two consecutive even numbers have LCM of 180? First, try to understand what is meant by consecutive. Consecutive means the numbers which come one after other. But one more word is added here, even numbers. Consecutive even numbers. It means alternate all the even numbers. For example, if I am taking number 10, what is the next even number after 10?
12.
Type.
12.
Correct.
12,
Correct.
sir.
Correct.
12, sir.
12. 12
12,
is.
sir. Sir.
Next question is, if I am telling 24 is a even number, what is the next consecutive even number after 24? 26 is consecutive, correct. Now, you understand what is the consecutive even numbers? Now, here it is asked, which two consecutive even numbers? It means that numbers may be 10 and 12, maybe 12 and 14, 14, 16, 16, 18, any two consecutive numbers, but that should be even numbers, have a LCM of 180. Now, one more rule you should know, HCF of two consecutive even numbers is 2. This answer is for all. Any two consecutive even numbers you will take, and its HCF is 2. Answer is always 2.
2.
Understand this. Now we
Yes, sir.
know LCM is what we have found. HCF. If we know HCF, we know LCM. Then we can find what is consecutive even numbers. Suppose if I am taking one number is X, then another number will be X plus 2,
2.
and its multiplication is 180 multiplied by 2. This multiplication is coming how much? 180 multiplied by 2,
Sir,
360.
360.
360. Now we will take some even numbers here down. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. We have to find multiplication of two consecutive numbers should come this 360. If we take this 10 and 12, its answer is coming 120. It is very small number. If we see here 20 and 22, 22 to the 44, it means 440. But 440 is greater than 360. It means these two numbers, if we see 18 multiplied by 20, answer is coming 360. Therefore, 18 and 20, these are two consecutive numbers, which are even numbers. Therefore,
Okay, sir.
write down statement: two consecutive even numbers are 18, 20.
So that's all for practice set 14. If you're watching this video first time, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. God bless you all.